Hello YouTube, this is EverythingISTech, and today I'm making a little video for WrestleMania 365 on how to actually show the quality of the video when you actually record on an HD TV. WrestleMania actually wanted this video, and before we actually move on to the real thing, I just want to say the three qualities I'm actually gonna focus on in this video. There's four actually over here, but one of them is custom quality, and when you actually make a custom quality video, you can actually make the quality however you want. So that's actually not that important. I'm gonna actually go with the three default ones: the good quality, the better quality, and the best capture quality. So here we go. Well, just to tell you guys a really quick note, and it's really important. The quality that you actually put on YouTube is really different from what you record. The one you actually record in will actually determine most of the quality, but when you actually finalize the movie and actually before, like, you know, when you're actually done with all the editing and you're about to make the movie, that really determines some of the quality too. So I will also show you what's the default quality to finalize your movie in. So starting with the good one, which is on the left hand top corner, I'm just gonna say I wouldn't recommend this quality if you're making a average quality montage or anything, because first of all, sometimes it gets blurry, of course, and it's a bit late. The audio is a bit late than the picture, so when you actually, maybe when you shoot a gun, and maybe in Call of Duty if you're making a montage, that the sound will appear like a few seconds later. So if you're actually gonna like kind of mix the sound and the songs together, I wouldn't recommend the good quality. So now I'm gonna start with the better quality, which is on the right hand corner. This is the one I'm really gonna recommend because if you've seen my other channel, which is Lamp 301, the Halo montages, which I must say isn't that good, but the quality, that's the better quality, the one I actually use. The middle quality. So I'm gonna say I would recommend the better quality version, because of course it's not as the good quality, it's better than the good quality, of course, because it's better. And just the picture is actually really good. It's not as good as if you're making a HD montage or anything, but it'll go, if you know what I mean. You know, it's worth it. It's good to record on. And then, like, on the bottom somewhere is the best quality I'm gonna show. And the best quality, what I have to say is, it's really the best quality. I haven't lately used the best quality because, first of all, it takes too much space up, which is really the downfall of these two qualities, the better and the best. The good doesn't take much space, but again, the picture quality isn't that good. If you compare it to the better and the best, the better takes a really moderate amount of space when you record, but the best one just takes way too much, which is kind of insane. But if you want the good quality, of course you're gonna need to sacrifice some space. So I just gotta say that the best quality is, of course, if you're making some kind of HD montage or any recording HD. I honestly, personally, do not use the best quality because I don't see any point to it, unless I'm making something that's HD, which I haven't been lately doing. So best quality I recommend, it's only if it's HD you're gonna record in or anything. Yeah. So just to put the bottom line, the good quality is something I wouldn't recommend. The picture quality isn't as great as the better one. The better one is something I'd recommend because the quality is good, the sound comes really clearly, not as clear as the best, but still good. The best is for HD or even if you want a high quality montage, but it takes a lot of space. So just record, determine your space. You know, depending on how much space you have, that's what you have to record on. As I said, I showed what kind of the quality to finalize on Pinnacle Studio, depending on what you're recording on. If you're actually recording on good or better, I recommend AVI or MPEG or even Windows Media. And you could also use the best as Windows Media and AVI and stuff, but it really depends up to you. Now, if you want an HD kind of movie, I'd go to AVI, and I'd go preset, and I'd go to probably full screen DV or JPEG or MJPEG. But I'd actually recommend the full screen one. I recommend the DV full screen one if you actually want to make a really good high quality montage. And if you actually want to make some kind of high quality one or HD, you actually have to pay some kind of money for HD. It's actually formatted in HD, but it still goes. I'd go to Windows Media, and I'd go to one of these HD qualities, depending on what kind of format your computer can support. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Everything is Tech. Peace.